Hi all, welcome back to the GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the customer B2B portal. I'm going to show you how to handle customer quotations through the B2B portal. For that, first you should have a customer where the B2B function is enabled. To do this, you have to go to the customer page and enable the B2B customer toggle. Thereafter, you have to go to the B2B user page and connect your customer with your user. Now you can go to the sales quotation page and create a sales quotation header. Then we can add quotation line here. Now I can release my sales quotation. Once you release your sales quotation, it will be available on your B2B portal. Now imagine that I am performing the role of customer. As a customer, I am logging into the IFS B2B portal. In the navigation menu, you can go to commerce, then order management for customers. Once you go there, you will see your open quotation easily. In the quotation area, it will be displayed as an open quotation. By clicking on it, you can access it. If you want to accept it, you can do so directly from here. Now let's see what happens to our quotation from our own business point of view. If I go back to my application and refresh the page, it shows me the option Create Order Now. The status has changed to 1. Since there is only one line here, it will be reflected at both the line level and the header level. So I can create a custom order using this. Now my custom order has been created. If I go back to my B2B portal again and return to my dashboard, you may see my order. In the order section, under open orders, I can see my new customer order. My order number was P14982. So here is my new customer order. After that, you can proceed with this customer order as usual. The B2B sales quotation feature simplifies the process of handling customer quotations, making it faster and more efficient. By enabling customers to view, accept, and convert quotations into order directly from the B2B portal, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and optimize their sales operations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.